Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to clear up one of the most confusing topics in English grammar: present simple versus present continuous. If you've ever wondered when to use I work versus I am working, this video is for you. By the end, you'll understand exactly when to use each tense. Let's get started. In this lesson, we'll cover 4 important things. First, what is the present simple tense? Second, what is the present continuous tense? Third, the key differences between them. And finally, common mistakes that English learners make. Let's start with the present simple. The formula is simple. You take the subject, then add the base form of the verb. Remember, for he, she, and it, you need to add s or es to the verb. For example, I work at a bank. She speaks 3 languages. They live in New York. Notice how speaks has an s because the subject is she. We use the present simple for 3 main situations. First, for habits and routines, things you do regularly. For example, I drink coffee every morning. Second, for facts and general truths, like the sun rises in the east. And third, for permanent or long-term situations. For example, she works as a teacher. This means it's her job, not just what she's doing right now. Now let's look at the present continuous. The formula is subject plus am, is, or are, plus the verb with ing ending. For example, I am working right now. She is speaking on the phone. They are living in a hotel temporarily. Notice how every sentence has a helping verb, am, is, or are, and the main verb ends in ing. We use the present continuous for 3 situations. First, for actions happening right now, at this moment. For example, I am studying English right now. Second, for temporary situations, things that are not permanent. For example, he is staying with friends this week. He doesn't live there, it's just temporary. And third, for changing or developing situations, like the weather is getting warmer. Here's the key difference. Look at these examples carefully. I work in an office means that's my job. It's permanent. But I am working on a project means I'm doing it right now. It's temporary. He plays tennis means it's his hobby or he does it regularly. But he is playing tennis now means he's doing it at this exact moment. See the difference? One is about habits and permanent situations. The other is about what's happening right now or temporarily. Now, let's look at common mistakes. Mistake number 1, saying, I am working as a teacher, when you mean it's your permanent job. This is wrong because am working sounds temporary. The correct way is I work as a teacher. Use present simple for permanent jobs. Mistake number 2, saying I work on my computer now, when you mean you're doing it at this exact moment. If you're doing something right now, you must use present continuous. So the correct sentence is I am working on my computer now. Mistake number 3, using stative verbs in continuous form. Stative verbs describe states, not actions. Verbs like know, love, hate, believe, understand, want, and need are stative verbs. We don't use them in continuous form. So never say she is knowing. Always say she knows. Let's do a quick practice. Pause the video and choose the correct answer for each sentence. 1. I blank coffee every day. Is it A, drink, or B, am drinking? 2. Right now I blank coffee. A or B? And 3. She blank 3 languages. A or B? Pause now and think about your answers. Here are the answers. Number 1, I drink coffee every day. We use present simple because it's a habit. Number 2, right now I am drinking coffee. We use present continuous because it's happening at this moment. Number 3, she speaks 3 languages. We use present simple because it's a permanent ability or skill. How many did you get correct? Let's summarize. Present simple is for habits, facts, and permanent situations. Present continuous is for actions happening now or temporary situations. Remember, stative verbs always use the simple form. And pay attention to time words in the sentence. Words like now or right now tell you to use continuous, while words like every day or usually tell you to use simple. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between present simple and present continuous. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English grammar lessons. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll answer them personally. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!